Sweet people, today's video is on this Levain bakery inspired chocolate chip cookies, and if you want to know how I made this, then just keep on watching. The items needed for the cookies will be butter, flour, brown sugar, white sugar, cornstarch, chocolate chips, baking soda, salt, and eggs. Grab your mixing bowl and add in your sugar, which is your brown sugar, white sugar, and then you can add in your butter and then start to beat, also using a mixer. So you can use your mixer to beat the ingredients, and just make sure you're using the butter that's a little bit softer, although it's still cold. Mine was a little bit harder, so it's a bit harder to mix, but other than that it's okay. So you can just continue mixing until everything is like smooth and creamy. Once you've mixed those together, you can add in your eggs. So I'm adding one egg at a time, and then just continue mixing as I go, and then add in again, and then I mix again. Add in your cornstarch, and then your salt and your baking soda, and then you continue mixing again. You can add in your flour, so I'll be adding the flour in batches so that it's easier to mix it in, and just continue mixing. you can add in your chocolate chips and then you can knead the dough. So just add it in and then just kneading like for a few minutes, and then you can start to prepare to bake it. Once that's done, you can prepare your pan and then just roll the batter into balls. So I'm just adding like into with a handful of balls, and then just put it on there. So I'm baking at 6 at a time, and then just bake until they're golden brown. These cookies were something new and I've never tried this before. So it's like a cake kind of cookie. So it's reminds me of my cheesecake, Oreo cheesecake cookies. So it's like a cake and a cookie together, so it's kind of interesting. And add in more chocolate chips if you want, so I added in a little lesser. But yeah, other than that, everything was good and nice. So I've not really tried the real bakery's cookie, but trying this, I can feel how great it would be. And now when you're ready, you can bake at 410 for 9 to 12 minutes or until they are golden brown, and then you're done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's the end of my video. So if you try it, definitely let me know, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey, look, pick up your phone.